Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a swing trading scanner. I try to find out a trade opportunity at lowest level by using a charting scanner that I'm going to create with some custom indicator in this video, and how to find out a trend reversal at the lowest level for a swing opportunity at a bottom. Okay, so look at this particular chart of Titan 30 minutes. I'm looking for a trend reversal opportunity by using that particular indicator by using charting scanner. So we need to find out the pattern which forms in a particular chart. So that simply we can filter out and using a charting scanner that I'm going to create in this video. And how do I find out this opportunity at the lowest level? So look at this, the market is keep on moving lower, and we find some opportunity by using that particular scanner. So maybe an opportunity at this point and also this point. Maybe here I'm going to focus on opportunity, and it is my risk factor and the risk which I have taken, and another candle which I'm focusing for a risk here at this point. And after that there is the swing, so we got it. So after this down swing, and now we find out a trade opportunity at this area of the swing lows by using this scanners, which we can find out reversal opportunities in the bottom. So this swing scanner, so swing trading is nothing about buying a trade at the lowest level at the lower swing and selling at the highest level. So how do I find out this indicator, this particular scanner? So first of all, I used to learn two indicators to find out this trade opportunity. One is about a pivot point, that is about a Camarilla pivot point Camarilla. Okay, so this is what I want, and I'm using support 4 to find out a trade opportunity. This two indicator which I'm going to create with that particular scanner, and I'm going to let you tell you that images, and I have added the scanner here. You can see the stock is keep on moving lower, and one point of the time it started bouncing back and reversed back also. So look at this particular area. So how do I find out a downtrend? So look at this R4. So each and every day's R4, it's about a daily Camarilla, it is lower than previous day. So that will clearly giving you the downtrend in the particular stock. And the second conditions which you are looking at, the S4 level. So here you can see there is a S4, and the market started below S4 level and closed above to the S4. So maybe the trend change or a trend shift, because if it does keep on moving down, it is a downtrend, but any point of the time it is recovered back or reversed from the lower level. So we can find out, even you can see there is no candle which started and closed over here, and as for only the two candles, and here is another third candle. So we find out such a big reversal opportunity at the bottom. So we can find out the swing lows by using those indicators. So what are the important point which you are looking at? Keep on rising, sorry, keep on lower level R4. The first condition is to find out the lower level R4. So let me go to create a charting scanner first of all, and then we can use for a support 4 to find out the trade opportunities. So let me open a charting. So this charting scanner which I have already created for a custom indicator, that will help you to find out a trade opportunity. So we go to charting. So here is the charting, and I'm going to create a scan. I just simply going to create with the futures. In futures, if I'm creating, so we will be finding out some good quality stocks. So here I'm going to use Camarilla R4. It's about a derived indicator which I have created. Okay, so it must be less than. So we are looking for a Camarilla, it must be less than, again a Camarilla R4. Okay, so we normally use 1 day ago, because the Camarilla value which is calculated from previous day high low close. Okay, and that's why we are using 1 day ago. So here 1 day ago it should be the 2 days ago. So here this simple condition will filter out the Camarilla R4 level which is lesser than the previous day, and we need a consecutive 3 days. So let me add this 2 days ago Camarilla R4, it must be less than 3 days, and 3 days ago Camarilla R4 is less than 4 days ago. So you can use it 10 days, so 4 days. Even we can add one more day also, 4 days ago must be greater than 5 days, that we can create. So whatever detail which you want, so you can create, add it. So here this particular, so because market is overall moving down, so we find out such a pattern. So many stocks which may be forming this pattern, but the reversal which is happening on very few stocks. So if you are looking at this, these are all the stocks which just keep on moving lower compared to the yesterday, up to yesterday. ACC, UPL, Crompton, so those stocks, UPL. You look at this, the downtrend just keep on moving lower from that point. So it is about a 636, now it is around 540, but still we have an opportunity here. You can look at this point. So previously you can't find anywhere the market is opened below S4 and closed above S4. Okay, only that point which we got it around 145 1st of November. So let me zoom this, whether it's right. Yeah, you can look at this for the point where 533.4 and 530. So maybe we are going to looking at a 30 minutes time frame. Very small riskier trade. The risk is something around 533 to 34, whether entry is triggered or not. So this is what a simple condition to find the lower swing. The entry got triggered yesterday, so maybe we are going to keep us a swing trade. So 3.5%, and today it moves up to 1.6%, but still it is not moved, and this low, or maybe we can keep as a stop loss and we can wait for such opportunity. So like Crompton, Biocon, so a lot of stock will be there. Biocon, what's happening if you're looking at the chart, it is look that the trend in a down. So maybe one more opportunity which is happening here at this point, and a small move, and finally it triggers your stop and the second point here and the third point here, but still the stock is giving you small profit, not a, but we are looking for a finding at a swing lower level. Okay, so that's one more good. So they keep on moving lower, that's right. And ITC, AU Bank, a lot of stocks because of overall market in the last 15 days is going down. So ITC also it's keep on going lower, and the point where it is going to reverse in the S4 level, maybe at this point. So here from 431 it went up to 436, maybe the stop loss at the 30 minutes low 429. That is also one more swing low which we can find out. Okay, so that's great, and we need to find out exactly the stock which is happening at that point. Simply we can use the closing price or the opening price must be less than. This is what a condition which I'm looking for, and Cambrilla support for here. Previously we use a R4, but here in this case I'm using a support for 1 day ago. So always use to 1 day ago to kind of find a today's trade level, and the close must be greater than, should be around support 4, and I'm just using for 30 minutes for a swing trade. Okay, so this conditions will give you such a good opportunity to find out a trade. So only the stock which forming or performing that pattern, so it was a test. So I'm just looking for once any particular stock which forming. So this is what a result. So at this point you can look at this granulars and Titan at 1045 31st. So for a granulars 1045. You look at this 31st 1045. This is what I'm looking for, an opportunity where I got a good reversal from this bottom. So maybe previously also here I got it. Maybe this one got triggers your stop. But here we find out the swing low, and also we find out the downtrend, and we find finally the swing, and also the pattern which forming is about bullish engulfing, and then now it is moving towards the top. And also one more condition also we can use after this consecutive downtrend. If any point of the time if market closes another swing trading above R4, okay, the closing above R4, that is also be one more opportunity which we can simply find out. So this is what a condition which I want to filter out Titan. So let me go for a Titan. This is one more opportunity at this point. So after that clear downtrend, we got it another, here is another one more opportunity at this point. So even we can look at some of the stocks which given you some opportunity. Randomly Titan again 1245 that we looked at, and pretty recently, so around 23rd October, Syngin LTTS. Let me check this LTTS 23rd October around 12:15, 23rd October 12:15, 23rd, maybe this point. You can look at this, but that high is not broken, so we are not looking for an opportunity. And one more important thing, So once that candle, if you are looking for that particular 30 minutes, the high should be an entry and low should be your stop loss, so that we can plan or we can decide where we can plan for that trade opportunity. Either you can increase with the time frame 1 hour candle or even 5 minutes. So it just depends on your idea. So, but this is what a logic which I looked for. So, for example, consecutive 5 days down on the trend. So instead of that, so this is what a scanner which I've already created. So instead of that, we can use a one more opportunity. So the latest close one more swing, latest close greater than umbrella R4 this time. R4 1 day ago, I just go for a 30 minutes, okay, or 15 minutes, whatever the time you want, you can look for. So if you are using UPL, and Biocon should be the stock which is happening such a like this, and backtest you will be getting some of the stocks. Here you can see greater than IPCA lab on 31st 10, IPCA lab 31st 10, after consecutive down, maybe here 31st at 10:45, maybe here at the candle. But previously that 4 days we are looking, 4 days is down, and then here is the closing about to the level. If you are planning higher, then you can keep as a stop loss. In any other stock, 10:45. So today we have some stock like UPL, Biocon, Crown Bank. Let me go for UPL. After consecutive down, UPL. Okay, 30 minutes. You can look at this. It started above the R4. So consecutive down, and only the candle which closed above the R4, maybe another thing. So you can see, look at this clear downtrend. We can take an entry and maybe S4 as a stop loss, which we can plan for this. And by using this candle, we can increase our swing trading opportunities with this lower level the thing. So we can add it. So it will be giving you some opportunity. So you can back test and let me know if this scanner works. And if you like this scanner, and you can hit the like of this video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, just ping me on the chat box or comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.